Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this cookies and cream cake. So soft, looking so lovely and yummy. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, just click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Let's start. I'll be using these cookies. This is the chief ingredients. You can use any cookies of your choice. I'll be using King's butter, 250 grams of King's butter. And I'll also be using 6 eggs. Make sure to wash them very neat. I'll be using milk. This milk, I'll be using half cup of milk, but due to after measuring my half cup, I noticed there is always a little left aside, so I'll be putting all. This is 250 grams of flour, and I'll be using a tablespoon of corn flour. I'll only remove a tablespoon of flour and replace it with a tablespoon of corn flour to get my cake flour. I'll be using a teaspoon of vanilla flavor. I'll also be using a teaspoon of butterscotch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 150 grams of sugar. For the dry ingredients, remove 1 tablespoon of flour and replace it with corn flour. One tablespoon of corn flour. Add your 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You mix together and sieve. Feel free to use your hand mixer or standing mixer. I love using this my bowl and turning stick so that anyone can easily bake at home. Whether you have the standing mixer or hand mixer, whether you don't have it, you can still bake your cake and it will come out fluffy and yummy. Cream a little and you add your sugar. If you know the reason why I'm cracking my egg one after the other, please put it in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of our new videos. We'll post up to 3 to 4 videos every week. Feel free to ask questions. Don't forget to like my video. Now add your flavors. Feel free to add only vanilla flavor. The truth is that mixing vanilla and butterscotch takes your cake to another level. tap on your table and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Our cake is ready, looking so yummy. Whoa, 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 whoa. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share to your friends, don't forget to comment, and feel free to ask questions. You can see how yummy our cake is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.